Hello guys, welcome back to DG3. So today's topic will be how to invite friends to your Instagram account. So let's get started. Click on your Instagram account, go to your page, click on this more option and go to settings. You can see follow and invite friends. Click on that. You can invite via SMS, mail or WhatsApp. So I'll try to invite them with WhatsApp. Either you can send it individually or you can just put it on your status and click on send. You can see that it's on my status. So that's how you can invite your friends to your Instagram account. That's it. Thank you. Please do like and subscribe our channel.